Hello and welcome. Today's video is going to be about using your smartwatch with Droidplanner or THOR and also something called Andropilot. So I got the watch from here and I went for the cheaper one, this guy here, because they do have a newer one that's $216. The reason why I went with this watch is because it has GPS built onto it. So in theory, we should have been able to use follow me mode. But for some odd reason right now, I still can't get follow me mode to work. It just goes up and turns towards me. And it doesn't follow me, at least with Droidplanner. I haven't tried Andropilot yet. It might work. Every other thing works. What I found that I'm really actually using the watch more for is actually for the voice commands. Or for the voice It tells you if the battery's low and stuff like that. And if you have GPS or not, so that's kind of handy. Besides that, this is kind of iffy. The display is really small. You need really small fingers, and yeah, it can be a little bit of annoying. So how I have this guy hooked up now is with Bluetooth. You can possibly hook it up with telemetry, but the cable here doesn't put out voltage, so it won't power up your telemetry unit, so you'd have to use an external power for it. I might come up with some mods for that, and yeah, we'll see about that. So this video is mostly just going to be showing you guys how to install THOR, because if you go to the Play Store, it won't let you get it. I'll show you that. Hopefully you can see this. I'm just going to make it a little bit darker here. Okay. Let's see. I already have it installed, but you can try. I'm also not going to show you guys how to set up your Bluetooth. I have another video showing you how to set up the Bluetooth, and you can use my special firmware to program the Bluetooth right with your APM 2.62 if you want. Just going to scream at this thing for a second. THOR. I don't think so. Let's try Droidplanner. Droidplanner. So here, I'm not sure if you can read it, but it actually says your device isn't compatible with this version and you won't be able to download it. So what I'm going to do is I'll add some links in the description and you can just download it. I've already uploaded it to my Google Drive for this version and for the beta version. So for that, for an example, actually two when I'm here, you can also download this program here called Andropilot. That one does work and you don't have to download it from my Google Drive. I haven't tried the follow me mode yet with it because it says it's under alpha, and alpha is a little sketchy. But his whole project was about follow me mode. The other problem with the Bluetooth 2 is it only gives you about 30 feet, which is actually kind of perfect for follow me mode, but it's kind of useless for other things. Alright, so if you go to YouTube, and then you'll have to find my channel, the Bangs 6996. For me, I'm just going to click on my own guy here. It won't be this video, I just uploaded a test video. If it's actually going to show it to me still. Alright. And then go to the description. And then I'll have the THOR will be the normal one and then the beta one. So just click on this guy. And then download it. I've already downloaded it, so it should double up. Alright, so once it's downloaded, you can just click on it and install it. It might say that you might have to enable permissions for third-party apps, so you're going to have to say yes to that and then just install it. So after it's done installing, the most important thing to do with THOR, otherwise your watch is going to vibrate forever. It's really super annoying. Go to settings. I still have the plastic cover on this, so it's a little not working 100% right here. Not about watch. Uninstall applications on this one. Then go to whichever THOR you installed. And uncheck where it says show notifications. If you leave it checked, this thing's going to vibrate like hell on you. It's really super annoying. Alright, so once you have it all installed, and you have your Bluetooth enabled, you can plug in your quad. Open up THOR. So I did download the Android files for this, for the source code. I'm kind of debating on making another GUI for it, so it's round. Because if you're gonna have to go back and forth with it because the top part won't populate. But anyways, under Bluetooth, just push connect, and then you'll have to pick your device. But I've already done it. Again, just watch that other video about how to connect your Bluetooth or how to program it. I think I enabled it. Okay, so let's see. Such a glare here. Up here, it doesn't get populated, so you have to actually hold this button here and go to the round one. And then now you can kind of see how much voltage you have and stuff like that. The watch will also tell you when it's almost low. So because you turn on your remote, you can also do everything you would normally do with it. So if you arm it, I'm not sure if I have satellite yet, so I don't think I can do a takeoff. Yeah, I don't think so, not yet. So once your motors... Okay, it's on takeoff now. Ah. It's really hard to show you this, but right here, that's follow me mode. So if you click on this guy, and that's the only way to get the extra options is once you arm your quad with your transmitter, put it into loiter. So I'll try that just to see. Okay, so I armed it with my remote. Now I can... Right, so that's how you would get to following. You probably couldn't hear a thing I was saying because the motors were too loud and it's right beside me. But that's how you get the follow me mode, and then you can set the leash and everything like that for it. Besides that, everything else works, like the takeoff. You can set it up for a Joni. You could, yeah, do everything with it. I'm just not too sure about the follow me mode yet. I'm going to be doing some more tests with the telemetry. I'm going to do some mods with that and add it to see if it's that. This can also do Wi-Fi. So if you have... a Pix Racer or something like that, like I have another video of that with the Wi-Fi, it can totally connect with the watch as well with Wi-Fi. Droidplanner, or not Droidplanner, Andropilot, I think it's called. So basically with this watch, the only thing that can be shared is the GPS. So like I said, it should be working. And it has really good a GPS chip in it. Outside at least, you can get about 10 satellites. And then this Andropilot. This one looks actually pretty good. And like I said, you don't have to download it from my Google Drive. Just for all the basic links. And if you want to try out follow me mode, let's see if I can connect. I might not be able to. Because I was already connected before with the other one. Yeah, I'm not sure. So let me unplug the quad and try it again maybe. Oh, I was already still connected with Droidplanner, that's why. Hopefully it doesn't auto-connect to it. Okay, so it's technically connected with Andropilot. And then this guy here, if you want to get the follow me mode, it's just clicking on this guy here, and then simply clicking on the follow me. And here's where it says it's an alpha, so I was kind of a little paranoid about that. And yeah, but I really don't think I have any satellites yet. I can check, but I'm in my house here. Yeah, this watch isn't seeing any satellites right here where I'm at. Oh, it's got one. So like I said, yeah, the chipset's pretty good in it. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you how to get THOR working on this. You have to get it from my Google Drive because you can't get it from the Play Store. And if there's interest in this video, if I get a little bit more hits on it, I might actually make some mods and get telemetry and stuff working on it. Originally my next video should have been this guy here. But I am going to add voice to this guy now because I actually found the voice really handy. When you're flying your quad or whatever, it's telling you if you have 80% voltage or 80% left, 70% left. Just gives you a little bit more handy readings and you don't have to keep looking at your remote or anything like that or at the watch itself. Alright guys, that's it. Like and subscribe and that's it.